Okay, hi everybody, Simon here from pianohack.com. We enable people to learn how to play 48 chords in under an hour, which gives you enough chords to play hundreds and hundreds of thousands of songs. We're going to be doing regular tutorials on YouTube about how to take some of that information that you'll have learnt and apply it to songs that you want to play. Today we're going to play Sam Smith's Stay With Me. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you which chords we need to be able to play. First one for the introduction is C, and we also need to know how to play F, and we need to know how to play D minor. Okay, first thing to notice about those three chord shapes is that they're all the same shape: white note, miss a note, white note, miss a note, white note. So the C and the F and also D minor, all the same shape. So as long as you keep your hand in that shape, all you need to worry about is which key to start on. Okay. Actually, on this YouTube channel, there's a short free video and at www.pianohack.com about how to learn the names of the notes in 5 minutes as well. That's quite useful. You might want to go and check that out. Okay, so here we go. The intro. Okay, so that's C, F, C, F, D minor, C. Okay, and in terms of if we want to count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the C is a count of 4. We start counting 4 on the F, but we only get up to 3, and then we jump up to the C on the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, that pattern's repeated with the second part of the intro, which is the F, D minor, and the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all together. Okay, got that? Great. Okay, so let's move to the verse, for which we need to know how to play A minor. Again, same shape, keeping it easy for you. The F, C, we've done those. D minor, we've done those. That's it. That's all you need to know. So let's try the verse. The verse goes A minor, F, C, F, D minor, C, and then it repeats. Repeats. A minor, F, C, F, D minor, C. Okay, let's try that with the words. Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need love 'cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Okay, that's the verse. Let's move on to the chorus, for which we need A minor, F, C, which then repeats. And then we go G, A minor, F, C, and then there's a bit of an odd one, A flat, A minor, F, C. Okay, that's that A minor shape, A flat shape, sorry, if you want to check it out. Okay, right, let's try and put those together. Oh, won't you stay 'cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, won't you stay with me? Okay, there we go. I want to talk a little bit about maybe bringing in your left hand. I mean, the whole point of Piano Hack is to get people started playing. So that's why I'm keeping this really, really simple, just chord shapes. But it would be good to be able to bring in the other hand as well. All I want you to do, okay, let's try playing the verse, is with the other hand, is to play the note that's the same as the beginning of the note of the chord you're playing. So that's an A, so I want you to play an A down here, and that's the same if you're playing an F, I want you to play the F down here. If you're playing a D, I want you to play the D down here, okay? And that'll fill out the sound. If you want to get really adventurous, you can also mess around with playing the 7th key up from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And doing the same with the other chords you're playing. And that will really start to fill things out and make things sound more interesting. So let's try that with the verse. Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need love 'cause I'm just a man. Okay, do you get the idea? Sounds much nicer, doesn't it? These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, want you to hold my hand. I want you to stay with me, 'cause you're all I need. Okay, you get the idea. It just makes it sound much fuller. Yeah, it's great. Okay, so like I said, if you go to www.pianohack.com, you can get the details of that course on how to learn to play 48 chords in under an hour, which is a fantastic toolkit to have. If you want to subscribe then to this channel, then please do. The buttons that should be at the top. We'll be releasing regular, hopefully weekly videos on chords, songs, tutorials, that kind of stuff that will hopefully enable you to have a lot of fun with the piano, which is the whole point, right? So drop us a line if there's anything you're interested in, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you later.